Welcome everyone to the heart of laundry secrets, where we embrace the sparkle and shine of pristine whites. Today we are on a quest for the best detergent to keep your whites dazzling, crisp, and oh so satisfying. So brace yourselves, laundry enthusiasts, as we embark on this journey to shatter the myth of dull yellow whites. Our first contender, the Ariel Matic Power White, is a real powerhouse. With its optical brighteners and a knack for tackling stubborn stains and yellowing, your whites will gleam like the first snow of winter, even in hard water conditions. Next up we have the ever-reliable Surf Excel detergent powder, a classic choice that never disappoints. From mud to ketchup, Surf Excel's stain-fighting potential is unparalleled, and its refreshing fragrance leaves your whites smelling heavenly. Then, we have the Vanish White Expert. A white knight for your laundry, its bleach formula deals with the most stubborn stains, bringing back the radiance and revival your whites deserve. Persil Power White, our next contender, is an all-rounder, championing both whites and colors. Its stain-fighting enzymes and optical brighteners leave your laundry sparkling clean and vibrantly white. Finally, we have Wheel Active Detergent Powder, the budget-friendly yet highly effective option. Efficiently removing dirt and grime, it keeps your whites fresh and bright without burning a hole in your pocket. Now comes the exciting part, the showdown. Each detergent will face off against common enemies of white clothes, coffee spills, grass stains, and underarm yellowing. Who will emerge victorious? Only time will tell. As the dust settles, we see Ariel Matic Power White triumphing over stubborn coffee stains, while Surf Excel lifts grass stains with ease. Vanish White Expert, with its powerful bleach, banishes underarm yellowing, leaving whites revitalized. But when it comes to brightness and whiteness, Persil Power, White and Wheel Active steal the show. So, who's the winner? Well, it all depends on your priorities. If you're looking for the ultimate stain fighter, Ariel Matic Power White or Vanish White Expert should be your pick. For everyday cleaning and brightening, Surf Excel or Wheel Active is your best bet. And if you're on a budget, Wheel Active is your friend. But for all-around performance, Persil Power White wins hands down. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips. Remember, pre-treating stains is key. Apply a little detergent directly to the stain before washing, and use the right amount of detergent for the best results. Thank you for joining us on this laundry journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay blessed and keep your whites dazzling.